Hi. So this video here is of me in Family Dollar. This is a Family Dollar video. And I decided to go into Family Dollar to see if I could find like some type of safari type products, right? That was what I was on the hunt for. And so I just took a little peek inside. First, initially, I was looking to see if they had fall stuff available. They didn't. They didn't have like not a bit of fall stuff out. Although on TikTok, I saw that some Family Dollars across the United States had fall stuff out. Our Family Dollar did not have any fall decor, so we just gonna have to wait on them with that. But I did happen to go in and find. You got a potty? Oh, I did happen to go in and find some products that's matching my little like safari look. And so when I say safari, nature like feel things, it's Greenery, leopard print. I'm a huge fan of leopard print, animal print, anything like elephants, giraffe. We're just going through and seeing what pieces we can find. Look at that. That's cute. Uh-oh. That's cute there. Yeah, I know I love me some animal print. And go another one. And got some candles. Spice, cinnamon. Those are cute. Look at that. That's cute. Oh, look at that. These are really cute. I don't know what I would do with them. Wall hooks. It's 3 hooks. I think that'll be cute on my wall. It's $8. And the giraffe ones are just really cute too. I wouldn't know. I don't know which one to get. The giraffe ones are more. Oh no. It's cute though. And they're kind of heavy. $8. $8. Oh, what else? This is cute too. They got the 0 sugar creamy coconut. Oh, they got the whole jalapenos. This is what I need. That's cute. $5. Look at that. Oh, it's wallpaper panels. Oh, whoa. It's wallpaper panels. That's pretty. But they're so small. You don't have to get a whole bunch of these. Wow, look at these. That's really pretty. And look at these floor towels. Self-Adhesive vinyl floor towels. They heavy. It's all wooden. It's a black set. That's interesting. Yeah, that's very interesting. Look at these. That's pretty. There's a towel hook. They didn't have any fall stuff in there. You can stay behind putting stuff out. I'm real sad about that, but I am gonna go buy some incense. Well, this is what I ended up getting. I ended up getting the elephant heads to hang towels on once I get my fall towels out of the shed. They were $8. Thought they were really cute. Hopefully I can put them up myself. If not, we'll definitely get my mom or my dad to put this up. I found the whole jalapenos. I have been wanting this brand of jalapenos, and Walmart did not have them. Walmart said I had to order them, and they had them right there. So I was gonna make some baked chicken, fried chicken. It's gonna be baked though, and I was gonna have them with this. My baby needed more toothbrushes, so and we normally get toothbrushes for free, but I don't feel like waiting on them. I have to log in and order them. Didn't feel like waiting on them, so I just got this here, which they're actually pretty long, but it says 2 to 8 years old. It's kind of long though. And I have to really reinforce her not to do too much with these. And lastly, we got some lip plumper, which I'm seeing everybody's getting off of lip plumping. Was a lip oil craze, which I love lip oil, but now people are getting off into the lip plumping.